Alright, Yuki fam, welcome to today's update of the Critter House. Now, you may have noticed right away, this is not the actual Critter Den that you saw a few days ago. This is a different world that I'm making now. You may be wondering what's going on here. Well, let's just say that I've been trying to use persistence in my own world, but somehow it doesn't work there. But it is working here, and I want to explain what that is in a moment. But first, as you guys can see, little dice tower. I'm going to explain what is going on here in just a moment. As you guys can see, we have a new dice tower for this particular world. I will be considering for our stream this Saturday as Amy Rose. We're gonna be in here. I'm just gonna be making it a room for your D&D adventures with the regular stuff. But you've noticed this UI persistence test panel, which I'm going to show you guys in a moment. But first, let me show you the dice with the new tower. We're gonna roll some d20s to show you guys how wild your dice rolls could be in this particular version of the world. Look at all those d20s fall out of the sky, and they're still falling. By the way, these are all invincible walls based on a box collider. And look at that one, that just came down. All these are invincible walls. You cannot grab anything through them. Let's see if there's any natural 20s in here. Because it's been a while since I've rolled a 20. And as you guys can see, there are no 20s on the board. Let's try one more time. 10 chances for a 20. Let's see what we got. We have one that's cocked. That's an 11. That's a 4. 7, 9, 10, 11, 10. Oh, that's a 1. Wow, okay. Let's go one more and then we're done with that. See what we got here. 12. We have a 1. We have a 10. We have 8. 8, 6, 4, and 4. Okay, so now I want to show you the main thing for today. This guy, the UI persistence test little panel here. What is this doing here? And what is this for? So persistence allows you to save data based on what you input in the world. For example, in Dungeons and Dragons, you need your stat. So I put sample names here and sample statuses from D&D and then some toggles. The main objective here is to save what you have put in here. For example, the second toggle, the name Freya, the status confused, and the three bars right here. I'm gonna press save data a few times just to make sure. I'm going to rejoin the world as if I was going to rejoin a instance. Then I'm going to come back to that area. And as you guys can see here, we have the panel and voila, the same thing that I put earlier is now in here. So I'm going to change my sliders. I'm going to change my toggle to the first toggle, change the name to Luna, change the status to the same, and I'm going to press save. Oops, I'm going to press save data again. I'm going to rejoin again. So that's twice I rejoined. And as you guys can see here, same thing happens. I have my first toggle, the name Luna, the sliders at this position. As you can see, pressing save data actually saves your data based on where you're at. Now, keep in mind, if you're playing, this is a test build because I'm showing you from a test area here. So if you were playing like normal, I you would see it stored in a server for persistence and VR chat server. Now, keep in mind, as world developer, I can clear out data myself. Let's just say that we're doing like a game world where there's like a season, I can do that. Okay. Now, will we do this for role playing Thursdays? Maybe. This world with persistence, yes. Now that persistence is kind of in here, and look at these these guys do the same thing, except for some reason this is being filled out. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put some stuff here, put some random stuff in it for save data. I'm gonna do the same thing here for a different name. Keep in mind the text box does not work correctly right now. And I'm gonna put that way, whatever this is gonna be for D&D, the slider save data. And then I'm going to save data again, change this to here, toggle number two, all three, and then all that, press save data. Then I'm gonna rejoin. Let's see if everything's saved correctly. And yes, as you guys can see, it saved exactly what you put into that screen. Even this one. It doesn't look like it, but this is where I put it there. I put three toggle. So that is the goal of persistence. Would ever come to the regular critter den. Once I find out what's going on, what's wrong with it, yes, it will come to the critter den. But until then, I will be uploading this as a backup to the critter den so that you guys can play D&D or Fablecraft. Now, as far as this Saturday is concerned, if I can get this done in time, this world, I will consider uploading it and we will play in here. I just have to add a regular decorations. Keep in mind because this is still considered a test world, there might not be as a robust of a hangout area like it was in the regular critter den. Because the main goal of this particular world here is to add persistence. Once persistence is added to the regular critter den, then we'll be using back that one again. Now, if you guys like this dice tower, then I will consider this as the main one. But for the moment, let's roll some d20s, please. Let's see if we can get a natural 20 before we go out for this update. And here they come. Here comes the dice. 10 chances. Let's see what we got here. No 20s. I got 7s. Let's go again. Here they come. 10, 12, 10. Remember, it's a number on above. Not too bad. Not bad. Let's see some D100s. Here they come. Ooh. These are D100s, not D12. Then I need to add 10 D12. D10, D10. This would be 34. Oh, one of the dice left out there. 14, 15, 61, and then any other combinations. 37. Alright, that's the update. Hopefully you guys are looking forward to this. I will be uploading this on Saturday, maybe earlier. We'll see what happens. We'll see how the character sheets work, and we'll see what happens. The dungeon master should be sitting here. Now, if it's too wide of a table, I will consider shortening the table so that you guys can play with each other properly. But your character sheet should be, which is going to be this guy right here. The UI persistence thing is going to be your character sheet once it's all said and done. Keep in mind, it's not going to be as robust as a regular D&D. I was going to be using the system by Gib Games, but we have to see what I'm going to go with in the final product. One more time. All right. So for now, we'll see you on the next one.